Hello guys, welcome to my channel Linguistics. Hope so you all are doing great. So in this video I am going to tell you about morphology and morphemes. I am going to tell you this from Linguistics for Beginners by Tariq Rahman book, and it is so helpful for the basic learners. So let's start the definition. So what is the morphology? The study how words are made is called morphology. Now you know a lot of vocabulary words. You have read Shakespeare, you have played Scrabble, you have read books, novels. So you know a lot of English vocabulary words. But have you ever thought that how these words are made? What is the logic and what is the process behind their formation? So as a student of linguistics, you should know that how words are made, and we study this in morphology. So in morphology, the main thing is morpheme. A morpheme is a meaningful unit of language which makes word. It just as a phoneme is a unit of sound in a language, we use the term morpheme for those parts of words which mean something on their own or when they are used with other morphemes. So they are the meaningful unit of language that makes word. Morphemes make word. There are two types of morphemes. One which means something on their own, and the second is when they are used with other morphemes. So these are the two types which you should know if you want to learn morphology. Let's see the example. Morphemes. There is the word boy, and what morpheme is making the word boy? Boy is also a morpheme. This morpheme is making sense. It has a meaning, so it falls in the first category. Man. It is also the morpheme of first category. Now there is unman. Here are two morphemes involved in making this word, un and man. If you see un, it has no meaning. It has no meaning until it is not used. It is used with other morphemes. So un is from the second category and man is from the first category of morpheme. Unmanly. Now un, you know it is from the second category. Man, you know it is from the first category. From which category ly is? Do tell me in the comment section. Now let's see the names of these two morphemes. There are bound morphemes and there are free morphemes. You should remember this table if you want to become a pro in morphology. So bound and free. Bound, it was a second category in which un came. This bound morpheme has two types. One is derivational and the other is inflectional. What does derivational mean? Derivational means those words, those bound morphemes that make a new word and it changes the grammatical category of the word. These are the suffixes. You can say that bound derivational morphemes are suffixes. If you don't know about suffixes, do tell me in the comment section. I will make a video about suffixes. The second is inflectional bound morpheme. It never changes the grammatical category of word. So in derivational, there are pure derivational suffixes and there are also affixes, infixes. If you don't know about suffixes, infixes, do tell me in the comment section. Now in the free. Free was the first category, man, in which man and other words came that has the meaning. It has two types, lexical and functional. Lexical, which has the lexical items, for example, boy, girl. These are the lexical items, and functional are those which serves any type of function in a sentence. For example, do. An action is happening in the word do. So it is a functional free morpheme. You should know this table. And follow me if you want to learn more about morphology and linguistics. Thank you so much.